In ancient times, honey was not farmed but foraged. People searched rocky cliffs and hollow trees where wild bees built their hives. Some wild bees built their hives high in the forest canopy, where only the bravest could climb to harvest the honey. In dark mountain caves, bees found shelter to build hives in peace, hidden, mysterious, and hard to reach. Some hives cling to sheer cliffs near waterfalls, their location guarded by roaring waters and dizzying heights. To calm the bees, smoke from burning herbs was used. Brave gatherers climbed cliffs or trees with torches and baskets in hand. Using simple knives or hands, they carefully cut the honeycombs from the hive, trying not to destroy the wax structure. In some cases, honey was filtered naturally by letting it drip slowly from the comb into a bowl placed below. The leftover beeswax was collected, melted, and reused for candles or sealing jars. Nothing was wasted. To protect honey from heat and spoilage, jars were often buried partially underground or stored in cool clay cellars. Ancient healers applied honey to wounds for its antiseptic powers. It was a prized remedy in early medicine. Honey played a sacred role in rituals, offered to gods, anointed on statues, or used in burial rites. Laborers and warriors consumed honey as a natural energy booster before intense work or battle. Beyond honey, beeswax was valuable for sealing, crafting tools, and even making early lamps. Beeswax was a vital ingredient in ancient medicine, used to soothe wounds and make salves. Ancient artisans used beeswax to sculpt bee-tailed models, which were then cast in metal using the lost wax method. Beeswax was used to seal and waterproof clay jars, keeping oils, wine, and honey safe from spoilage. Beeswax filled wooden tablets, used as erasable writing surfaces by scribes and students in ancient schools. Archaeologists discovered 3,000-year-old pots of honey in Egyptian tombs, still perfectly preserved, a sweet gift from the past. From ancient rituals to modern kitchens, honey remains a symbol of health, purity, and timeless sweetness. In every golden drop lies a story, a whisper from the past, echoing through time.